Okay, the first thing we need to do if we're going to learn Microsoft Excel is of course get a copy of Microsoft Excel on our computer. How do we do this? There's several ways we can go about this. Getting Excel is pretty easy, as you're going to see in the next few minutes. The big issue with Excel is actually getting the license. You need to purchase a license for this application. It's normally sold as part of the Office 365 product from Microsoft. If you get the installer but don't get a license, your installer is going to deactivate after a couple of days. So the best thing you can do is to actually get a license. And we're going to see how it's done in a few minutes. Okay, the first way to get Microsoft Office 365 is to purchase it. For example, we can go to Amazon by typing www.amazon.com, like so. And once we're in here we type Office 365 or Microsoft Excel. You can type either one, it's going to take you to the same place, and you get all these products. You can select whichever product you want. You can have licenses for 1 user, for 5 users. Pick the one that best suits your needs. Now you can buy the software off of Amazon, and in the end you're going to end up doing the same thing. It's going to send you to a Microsoft website probably, or they're going to send you a download link, so you're going to need to download the software. So you might as well buy it from the start from Microsoft and download it from Microsoft. Okay, so what you do is this. You start your internet browser. In here I've got my browser set to Google, but I'm actually not going to search for anything on Google. I'm going to go up here to the address bar on my browser, not down here. This is the search bar. This is the address bar, and I'm going to type up here www.office.com. Real easy to remember. And here I am at the Microsoft Office website. Once we're on the website, we click on Products for Home, and you can try or you can buy. Let's click Try. And we're here at Try Office 365 for free. I don't want any help right now. And you click here, Try for 1 month free. When you click for Try on 1 month free, you're going to get a 30-day trial of the software. You're going to need an account with Microsoft, and probably it's going to ask you for a credit card. And if after 1 month you don't cancel, it's going to bill you for the yearly subscription. So that's more or less how you get the trial version of Microsoft Office. And once you've done all this, what it does is download a setup file to your computer. Once we have the installer file on our computer, we're going to click on the setup file. I already have it downloaded to my hard drive. We're going to get this little setup screen here, and it's going to take a while. Microsoft Office is going to start checking for updates on the internet, and it's going to start copying files and everything, and you're going to have to wait a while. And in the end, you're going to get Microsoft Office installed on your computer. And Office is going to include Excel. There's really not much to do here except wait. You don't have to select anything. The process is pretty much automatic. Now, if you don't want to download software from Microsoft or use Microsoft software on your computer, there's a couple of alternatives you can consider. And I'm going to show you these in a few seconds. The first alternative you have is an Office clone made by Google. What you do is you type into your browser docs.google.com. Remember to type it up here in the address bar and not down here in the search bar. And with that, you get taken to this login screen where you're going to need to enter your Google credentials, the same credentials you use for Gmail or whatever. And once you successfully log in, you're going to get this, a screen which says Google Docs and has a bunch of thumbnails on it. So we go here to the corner and we select this second option which says Sheets. And we get taken to software called Google Sheets. And this is Google Sheets, which is Google's clone of Microsoft Excel. If we click here on blank, you can see we get a screen very similar to Microsoft Excel. This is one option you have if you don't want to use Microsoft Excel. You can use Google Sheets. It works pretty much the same. There's some slight differences, but for learning, it works just fine. So you can also use Google Docs if you want. Another option you have if you don't want to use Microsoft Excel is this software called LibreOffice. This is something by a company called the Document Foundation, and it's pretty much also a clone of Microsoft Office that you can download to your computer. What you do is you go here to www.libreoffice.org, you click here on Download, and you click on Download LibreOffice. And you choose your operating system here. You can choose version 532 or 526, and you download it and you install it on your computer. Pretty much the same as with Microsoft Office. So that's another option that you have if you don't want to download software by Microsoft. Both options, I might add, both Google Docs and LibreOffice are free to download. You don't have to pay anything to download them. So if you want to save yourself the $99 that Microsoft Office costs, you can download this software absolutely free. And once you've downloaded and run the installer, and when the installer is done doing its thing, you're going to get this little icon here somewhere on your desktop which says Excel, or it might say LibreOffice or whatever if you're using a clone of Excel. And from there on, you can click the icon to start the application and start learning Excel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. If you liked the video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and to visit our website, cubicleoverlords.com, for more instructional videos like this one.